Tired of paying for 5 different AI subscriptions and constantly switching tabs just to compare answers? What if you could access top-tier models like GPT-5, Claude 4.6 Sonnet, Google Gemini, Grok, and DeepSeek all in one single place? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at Chatbot App, located at chatbotapp.ai, which is designed to be your ultimate AI hub. Instead of managing multiple expensive accounts, this platform gives you access to 50 chat models and 3 image models under a single membership of just $59.99 a year. Using it is incredibly simple. Once you log in, you can easily switch between different AI models in a single chat. This is a game changer for fact-checking because you can compare how different models answer the exact same question, helping you spot hallucinations instantly. Beyond basic chatting, Chatbot App comes packed with highly useful tools. You can upload PDFs to extract information and get instant summaries using the Talk with Documents feature. It also includes real-time web search, speech-to-text for hands-free prompting, and support for over 100 languages. Plus, it works seamlessly across your web browser, iOS, and Android devices. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. Because this is a newer tool, independent third-party reviews are still limited, so we have to rely on the testimonials featured on their website. Users like customer support and product managers praise the app for being a massive time saver, specifically pointing out how nice it is to stop switching between different browser tabs. On the flip side, because it is an all-in-one aggregator, you are using Chatbot App's custom interface rather than the native individual platforms of each AI developer. Overall, if you want to test and use the world's best AI models without paying hundreds of dollars in individual monthly fees, Chatbot App is an incredibly affordable and versatile option to check out. Head over to chatbotapp.ai to try it out for yourself, and let me know in the comments which AI model is your current favorite. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.